In heel Europa wordt steeds meer zonne-energie geïnstalleerd, terwijl de vraag naar elektriciteit blijft stijgen. Tegelijkertijd moet het elektriciteitsnet stabiel en flexibel blijven. Daarom wordt energieopslag steeds vaker genoemd als de volgende stap naast zonne-energieopwekking. Qiao van DMEGC Solar neemt ons mee.
We see a continuous growth for electricity demand across Europe, while the available space for solar installation is quite often very limited, especially in cities and commercial sites. With higher efficiency solar technology, more energy could be produced in the same area of space. It lowers also the cost per kilowatt hour over the lifetime of solar installation, which will improve the general investment return for the project owners. Solar panels often produce energy during daytime, while the energy demand continues into evening or peaks at a different time. Energy storage could bridge this gap. It helps increase the local self-consumption and reduce the reliance on the grid, which is becoming more and more important today. When solar is combined with energy storage, energy could be shifted from times of high production to times of high demand, which makes the whole system much more flexible. As a result, it can smooth the peak load, reduce grid congestion, and eventually improve the reliability of power supply. Long-term performance depends on several factors. First is the general quality of the key components, including solar panels, inverters, and energy storage systems. Second is the system design and installation, including ventilation and cooling. And finally, continuous maintenance and monitoring are also essential. They can ensure that the solar system could perform efficiently for many years.
Na de bespreking op kantoor is de volgende stap om te bekijken hoe zonnepanelen in de praktijk worden toegepast op een geïnstalleerde commerciële projectlocatie.
In most scenarios, solar energy is used to reduce the electricity cost and improve the energy independency. They also support some of the companies to reach their sustainability targets and also reduce their carbon footprint. As many industrial activities take place during the daytime, solar generation could already cover a large part of their daily operational energy demand. Monitoring systems provide a real-time insight of how much electricity being produced and how it is being used. With this information, energy management system could decide whether electricity should be consumed immediately or stored or sent to the grid. It helps to improve the local self-consumption and also make the energy use more flexible and efficient. Before planning a solar plus storage system, several points must be considered in advance. First is the available space and the structural capacity on the project site. Second is safety and compliance according to the technical and the regulatory standards. And finally, grid connection must be carefully evaluated so the system could operate efficiently within the local grid conditions. In the coming years, we will see more solar projects combined with energy storage. We will also see that the market will become more consolidated, with fewer but larger players with the focus of quality and reliability. At the same time, the grid will have to handle more renewable energy, so the timing and peak demand becoming more important. That's why flexibility really matters.
Zonne-energie kan schone elektriciteit leveren, terwijl energieopslag helpt om die energie te gebruiken wanneer die het meest nodig is.